Welcome to Northeast Karbi Live. I'm Anushka Tironpi, and today we are here in Birla, where the protest has been going on for the immediate eviction of the Pijar land, which has been occupied by the illegal immigrants. Ladies and gentlemen, the concerned citizens of Karbi Anglong from various parties, organizations, religion, class and class have come together here unitedly protesting for the immediate eviction of the Pijar land, which has been occupied by the illegal immigrants. Ladies and gentlemen, an association known as RSS have submitted a memorandum to the President of India, Sripati Draupadi Murmu, and the memorandum said for the permanent settlement of the Pijar land by the illegal immigrants. As a result, there has been a lot of protests and rallies going on in Karbi Anglong. As a result, many of the people have protested in Keruni, but while they were returning back, they have been attacked. As a result, there has been a lot of controversies. And on February 20, after a prolonged time, on February 20, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the authority have come together and had a meeting. And after a prolonged discussion, they have declared that there will be an immediate eviction drive taking place in Kironi. But within 1 month, but it's almost been more than 5 months that there has been no sign of eviction. As a result, the concerned people have come back again together here in Karbi Anglong, in Birla, unitedly together here, protesting for immediate eviction of the illegal immigrants who are residing in Kiruni. And rumors have also said that the controversy that is going on, that the continuous protests that we are having in Karbi Anglong, it is a religious conflict as well as a communal conflict. That's what it has been spreading in social media. But the very fact is that it is the land issue that the people of Karbi are fighting from the illegal immigrants. So now let's go and watch how is the protest going to be, and let's ask the public how are their opinion and what more do they demand. Ladies and gentlemen, now the protests have begun, and now we are protesting towards starting from Birla, and it will continue to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. And there have been several citizens who are together here working, leaving behind their parties, their religion, their class united together, working together in order to bring justice in Karbi Anglong. That is to evict the illegal immigrants who are residing in Kiruni Pelangki. So now let us ask the leaders about how the protest will go on and what are their demands and what do they expect from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So now let us ask the leaders. So now I have a leader with me who has been leading the protest. So ladies and gentlemen, today is the high time to know what is going on in Karbi Anglong. What are the controversies and what we need to be discussed. So let me just ask you, since the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has promised the citizens of Karbi Anglong that the eviction will be taken within 1 month, but now it has been more than 5 months, but there has been no sign of eviction. As a result, the Karbi Anglong people are coming here unitedly, asking for justice, asking for immediate eviction. So what would you like to say to the people, and what would you like to say to the authority?
No, actually there has been a fake promises placed by the government authority, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So that's the reason why we have been protesting unitedly, irrespective of organization, party and religious. Like we, as a Karbi, we stand together to fight against and for justice. So like we have been asking for the justice, that there has been a threat and there has been a suppress, which is faced by the Kopli constituency, entire Karbi Anglong or Karbis in the Karbi Anglong. So that's the reason why we have been protesting, and the authority itself, since they have placed their promises, their word that they are going to evict the illegal settlers. But till today, since they have given eviction notice, said that within 15 days the illegal settlers should be vacated. But we have seen that till today we haven't been seen any step done by the concerned department or the authority. They are just making excuses like a dealing tactics. That's the reason why we have been protesting today.
Yeah, so you have seen that it is like a fake promises. So the government have given a fake promises to Karbi Anglong citizens. So why are they giving fake promises? Are they afraid of the illegal settlers, or is it because of the vote bank, or is it any other political, kind of like a climax or kind of a situation that they can make? That's the reason why they're delaying the eviction. Or will the eviction take place? As you said, it's a fake promises. So do you think the eviction will take place if it is a fake promise?
Now it's all about the public. We have seen that there's a lack of political will. Lack of political will is all the authority and the ruling government, they are just wanting to have their self-gain. Like that's the reason, like particularly the PGR and BGR area, this particular area, the voters that they have got, they are just trying to grab these voters particularly. So that's the reason why they are just don't want to do eviction in that particular place. That's the reason. Just try to be benefited for this particular area for just self-gain only. Yes.
So if they are benefiting from all these people, then what are the people? What about the Karbi people? This is the land of the Karbi, isn't it? Karbi Anglong is the land for the Karbi. So in some way, the Karbi has been neglected. They have been hit by stones. They have been attacked. They are not able to do, to live in their own land because the BJR land is not even supposed to be owned by the Karbis. But now the Biharis have owned it. So like, what about the Karbis?
So yes, as we have seen that now the Karbis, now it's all about the Karbi. As we are, like I have been and we have been saying that now it's not no more like the BGR movement. It's all about now Karbi's dignity and Karbi's reputation. So about the Karbis means like now we have seen that all the few of the, for example, like Sarthi Pangcho has their land patas and land records. But even though all the land, which is 21 bihas almost, like this land has been occupied by that Bihari community, like illegally. So after getting order from the Guwahati High Court and from the concerned department, till today the authority, the Karbi Autonomous Council haven't been done any action. So that, what exactly now we have seen is that now Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has less power as like what as the gestures that we have seen from the Karbi Autonomous Council. So what exactly I want to say is that now Karbi Autonomous Council, if they can't do the eviction, if they can't execute their powers by the Karbi Autonomous Council, then they have to resign, and there's another person who can lead, who can do all the powers.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So next, dear friends, we have another leader whom we would like to ask. Ladies and gentlemen, we have also another citizens of Karbi Anglong who has come all the way from Umrangso in order to take part in this peaceful protest in the rally for demanding the immediate eviction of the BJR land. So I would like to ask you one thing, that you have come all the way from Umrangso in order to participate in the rally. So what are their demands? Only the demand is for the eviction of the BJR land, or the public is demanding more for it?
First of all, I would like to thank the Notice Karbi Life. Myself, Rahul Karan, I am coming from Umrangso. So the thing is that it is very unfortunate that last day also we have been a long protest. But still now, why the government are still neglect the people of Karbi Anglong? Why they are not evicted the illegal settler of PGR and BGR? So it is very unfortunate. They have to evac immediately. If they don't evac immediately the illegal settler, in the coming day that we can organize the indefinite bonds as well. So now we are just, this is a peace protest. In the coming day, if something violence is happening in such kind of protest, that means the responsibility must be taken by the chief executive members of Karbi Anglong, by Mr. Tuliram Ronghang and the team Karbi Anglong. So we want and we argue the government to take the initiative immediately and to evac the BGR illegal settler. That is my request, and this is our strongest protest for them.
All right. So as you have said that if there will be no eviction taking place in Kironi Pelampi, so you are also telling the government that there might be indefinite bans. At the same time, they are also asking for the immediate eviction. Unfortunately, the eviction has been taking so long. It has almost been more than 5 months. So what do you think? Will the eviction take place, or will they keep on delaying it? And if there is no eviction taking place, will there only be indefinite ban, or it will also cause different circumstances?
No, that is the thing, because we are also waiting for the government. We respect the government, we respect the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and we are waiting since from February. They are giving a false promise. So we need immediately, until and unless we get to see that this house has been destroyed by any JCB bulldozer, and until and that we don't want to stay peace. We want to fight, and we will fight for the right. We are not going to chase for another land. We are just coming to effect that this is illegal settler, this is the land of BGR land. So by anyhow this should be evicted by immediately. If not, then in the coming day it will be a strong protest, and it will be indefinite ban also. I already speak before. Yes.
All right, thank you. So as we see, sir, there has been this continuous protest where they're asking for the immediate eviction by the illegal settlers. But now the process has gone so long, starting from February until now, today that is August. But no sign has been taking place. So what do you think that the government is doing? And if the government does not do their duty, then what will the citizens of Karbi Anglong do in order to protect their land?
Yes, we all concerned that the eviction drive should be evicted as soon as possible. If they are unable to do the process of eviction, then we are forcefully means we are itu mangke kaceso ang dengan bangke kapajutsi kupi ang dengan kaceso nang kima laan ang dengan mangkel kaceso nang koko lalu alam mangke lapen laso kaceso mga chun dengan ko until and unless we achieve our goal laso ang dengan mangkel tu mangke lagi ajak kaceso nang koko la bangke.
Thank you.
Go back, go back. Go back, go back.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in this protest, not only the gentlemen have been taking part, as well as the strong ladies are also taking an active participation in order taking part in this really protesting for the immediate eviction. So let me ask the madam that since there has been this protest going on, but the results, the outcome has not been come, because since February, the Karbi Anglong citizens has been continuously protesting, but no sign of eviction has come. So why are the government not taking care of the promises that they have made to Karbi Anglong? What is the reason behind this, according to the public, and what more do the public demand from the government?
This is total failure of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, because on 20 January there was a all-party meeting, and that meeting anonymously resolved to evict the Vijay land. But till now, no eviction has taken up. So we, the people of Karbi Anglong, especially the indigenous people of this land, take this program, because a memorandum will be submitted to the chief executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Lasi lalo pini litum thaglong lo kadamtang January chiglopen labangso kachesong bang echenglo hala sopor food tenangan kachesong atum hanstame isi katenghen doko jasemet lahelo isi bake ningi pungme me alam mangke athema Karbi Anglong da Karbi da local atum indigenous atum sidake hepuno da methanga longle kachepa jogja phan bangso kachesong long sidame hala da arenga huke sonang la bangke isi therat me ning pungme me alam la so phi bangke continue la so movement dolo la pen jasemet 20 January bang ki February la bangke hala da isi all party meeting same call lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen hala so mai lo bangke kadok me na cherai lo je brabjin pen Supreme Court order teng pen labang so pijar bijara long le long mangke tharle vek poko same api thek sulong lo alang itu me so pi pe chenglo kapre ka requirement la eviction of lai hoi alang pathe pe si mother chat rasas theklo lapen ke damtang lok sabha election tame isi a region asan pe klang lo amang ke result klang lo la na phi same ke la so puthak si pinining ga chhe lo Karbi Anglong arar bang ning ga chhe lo Karbi Autonomous Council atom phan athe alang ni to bangke rar phan lam the piwek chakwek all party chakwai sar alam the same nona ta kem ta chinche de lasi lahalo ni to pinya bangke laso rat kache so along ne thang Karbi Anglong along le la pena phelang ta jokje phan thai kache so along pinike so lo tum same kyong du laso kache tong no pang atena so lo la cho de kani moke bangje bangka su se Karbi Anglong ara don kaching hon longri kaching hon aradan indigenous tribe tuman same darso kaching so longke an so sen an chito dun popsi ni tum se hindes da me si apil pano lapam la so mi thang long ria bangke kaching pa jokwan ke dolong je phansi bangso pini kaching so asai same den pono lapam kit aptang si ni mention itu kenja ni meeting long bangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pesame si ala itu tong se kopen same hana dak so sorkari borgang borang tu mana me amen tham lap lo tante hala so area ki doke illegal pabang ke kang dak lo government pe masih puni ke chini dak lo mase hala hai sorkari borgang borang tu mana jo si tham pun pun tante hala dak ke do ara tu phat nona kimia skin ki bipon pabang ke pialam lo la so bang ya video bang po skin pidan ki doke la ara tu pia la metang alo ki do jo ara pila sabe pila bakke sarbar tu me zat contradictory hina bang tharle ko je ako abala alarm tu phana bakke hai government schemes me pibo ko ta la ami tha sik charka asila so bang kal de nang je asguna mama ya ta ki papi ki do kra ara do na hal hai tu phanle la so kapra ka hem so ba chenglo kapra development asai and this alarm tu ma pina ko.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the situation. Ladies and gentlemen, now the situation has gone worse in Karbi Anglong. As you can see, the people are going blind fire. Here, the citizens of Karbi Anglong are trying to have a peaceful rally, but the authority, the police, have been stopping the people to have a peaceful rally. They are continuously blind fighting to the people of Karbi Anglong. They are continuously blind fighting the people of Karbi Anglong. We are here protesting peacefully in Karbi Anglong, but the authority have blind fire. They have nothing about the citizens of Karbi Anglong. The protests were starting. As we can see that the peaceful rally is starting into a violence. It has now started into a communal violence. Everything has turned into danger. You can see that the people, our police are going violent, are going hand to hand. They're still shooting guns. They're still shooting bullets to the people of Karbi Anglong. We can see that there are drones of army, police, CPR, Air Force are here protesting. They are not letting the people protest peacefully, continuously blank fighting the people. Why is it happening in Karbi Anglong? Why the Karbi people are not protesting? The people of Karbi Anglong are now in danger. We are here near Amlapati, where you're able to see that the police officers are continuously blank fighting. There are millions of people, thousands, hundreds of people who are taking part in this peaceful rally. But now this peaceful rally is no more peaceful, ladies and gentlemen, as you're able to see that the police have been continuously blank fighting the people. There has been a communal clash. Now there has been a clash between the people, and there is a tension, a continuous tension that has been going on. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see that the police is continuously blank fighting. And the situation is gone worse. The situation has gone worse. The situation in Karbi Anglong has gone worse. Guns are shooting. People are no more safe. Why is it happening in Karbi Anglong? Why are the people of Karbi Anglong need to face all this when we are living in this land? Why are the people here? All these things is happening just because the people of Karbi Anglong is demanding for an immediate eviction of the BJR land. But the decision has been taken in February 20, but still the result has not been out. Now they're asking the people to go back. As you can see that the police is continuously hitting. The police is continuously hitting. Why are you hitting? Reporter! We are from the media. They are continuously hitting. Now, as you can see, that the situation has gone worse. The police have taken out their arms. There has been continuous shoot. People have left all their belongings. The people of Karbi Anglong are now in danger. They were going for a peaceful rally, but now the rally is no more peaceful, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, that the protesters need to go back. Now the really is no more peaceful, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see that everyone has taken out their arms. The people has been attacked brutally in the streets of Karbi. There has been blank fires. The people are no more safe. As you can see that there has been so much of violence when there really is supposed to be peaceful. But there really is no more peaceful. The citizens of Karbi are not able to complete their rally. They were supposed to go to Karbi Autonomous Council. But unfortunately they have taken another part, or maybe they have returned. Till date we don't know what is happening on. But one thing that is sure and certain, that the people of Karbi Anglong are no more safe in the land, because they have been brutally hurt by the people. We can see, as you can see here, the situation. See, as you can see, as India is as you can see that the thing has gone tougher. People has been there has been a lot of violence in the area where India is a democratic country, but where the people are trying to have where the India a democratic. There's still a lot of violence going on in Karbi Anglong, ladies and gentlemen. India, a democratic country, the people were having a peaceful rally, but there has been a lot of police, a lot of army have come together in order to stop this rally. Unfortunately, there has been a lot of violence. Fight has been going on between the common people and the authority. So what is it behind it? Why is the authority not allowing the people to have a peaceful rally? They have been having the rally starting from Birla till here Amlaputi. There has been no violence. They have been protesting it, but there has been no violence. So why are they stopping it? They are doing it in order to have an immediate eviction in the BJR land. We have just now witnessed that just to hit one people, a lot of armies have come together to hit just one people. Why is it happening in Karbi Anglong? Why is there so much tension? Report back. So sir, as you have seen that the people of Karbi Anglong has been suffering a lot. They were going for a peaceful rally, but the authority, the police have been attacking them. Sir, when people go on a rally, the police need to announce once, that is, we request you to please turn back. But there has been no warning. Why is that happening?
As a whole, I would like to condemn. As a chief executive members of Karbi Autonomous Council, I have to condemn to harassment of the police. So everybody to right to protest their rights and their identity. So I would like to people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, all the section of organization, we want to maintain a peace and unity and harmony. So we have to discuss all the demand PGR, especially PGR visas problem. So we will discuss, no problem. On behalf of the people of Karbi Anglong, all the section of people of Karbi Anglong, as CM, I welcome to you all to discuss about this issue.
Alright. So sir, as you have said that as a CM of Karbi Anglong, you're welcoming the people to discuss about this controversial issue that is the PGR. So now the people of Karbi Anglong were protesting peacefully for the rally, going to the council to submit a memorandum. So why did the police stop them?
I have to, anytime you give me a memorandum, you also give me a memorandum.
Yeah, so sir, So sir,
lasi nili pulo mati nili laso kacini ajoy ne pensi non nili moheta pulo areng lokla meta pulo ye police tum lason ke claim awar sai bang ke chok chelo lasi nili condemn lo lasi lasona awar sai ke claim glider nangi pusini pulo lasi laso yoni karjulong si nei banglo lasi kang julong si banglo alang tum mande lo and order tum condemn lo lasi laso putha ke jat ami alang tum pinpura lo na pino ne phanda me na pino mo ne pulo oh nang tum da me na pino laso pinpura lo pen kaching wai jing sai sijar ka sai ing deng na chunji kalim kala মই ট্ৰিটবোৰ নিন্দা কৰিছোঁ যেতিয়া পুলিচ প্ৰশাসনে এইটো কৰিব নালাগিছিলে কাৰণ সকলোৰে অধিকাৰ আছে যেহেতু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ বসবাস কৰা নাগৰিক বা অসমৰ বসবাস কৰা সকলো নাগৰিকে দল সংগঠনে সেইটো প্ৰতিবাদ কৰা এটা দায়িত্ব আছে তেওঁলোকৰ অধিকাৰ আছে গতিকে মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো নেকি তেওঁলোকৰ পানিছমেণ্ট দিছে ময়ো নিন্দা
শান্তিপূৰ্ণৰূপে আহি থকা প্ৰতিবাদকাৰীক মানে লাঠি চালনা কৰিব লাগে
এইটো মই নিন্দা কৰিছোঁ
sir,
আপোনাক এতিয়া আপুনি মেমৰেণ্ডামখন গ্ৰহণ কৰিব আহিছে
নাই মই গ্ৰহণ কৰিব আহিছোঁ
ইয়াত আপোনাক আপুনি এতিয়া মেমৰেণ্ডাম ল'ব ইয়াত
ল'ব আলাপ আলোচনাৰ মাজতে সমস্যাবিলাক সমাধান
আপুনি তেওঁলোকৰ লগত ইয়াত আলোচনাত বহিব এতিয়া
এতিয়া ইয়াত নবহোঁ মই অফিচলৈ বহিম হ'ব
alright, so sir, I have one more question. That is, it has been said on the 20th of February, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, along with you, sir, you have decided that we'll be do an immediate eviction of the PGR land. But unfortunately, till date, there has been no such
process is
eviction.
process is going on
Alright.
process is going on
Okay, so if
Because-
the process is going on, so why is the public still so furious? Why are they
I
here?
don't know
You don't know, sir?
because VGR is not at present issue.
Then, sir, what is the
This is
issue?
before independent issue.
Then,
So before independent declare VGR. So we have to VGR issue. We have to proceed it, but discussion is going on. We have already formed high power legal committee. So discussion is going on.
all right. So, sir, how long will the discussion take place? How long does the people?
I don't know.
need to
By
wait?
step we have to do it.
Okay.
Step by step we have to do it. So eviction nangji pukene kada puel man. Eviction se pukene pupe mate. Pini andane ningjelo ma eviction se. Ete pini daka chingne de na utum daka to
So sir, my first question will be to the SP, sir. Sir, what I would like to ask you is that when the protest has been going on, usually it is the duty and the role of the police that is to announce the people in advance to vacate the place. But unfortunately, what we are able to see is that the Karbi Anglong police did not announce beforehand. As a result, that the people have without any kind of warning, there has been a lot of fighting taking place. As a result, there has been a lot of violence taking part. So the protester has been saying that it is the failure of the people of police because they have not been able to announce, because usually it is the duty of the police. So sir, what would you like to say? Why the police did not announce it beforehand?
I'd like to inform you that after the violation of the route, there was a route given. I'd like to inform you that from the assembly point till Matipur Park, and it was decided that they will submit a memorandum at the Matipur Park, where district administration and the council representative will be there. But then they violated the route, and after violation of the route, police repeatedly requested them. They followed them more than 1 kilometer, and then police was all the way requesting, and ultimately at a point of time when they both to approach the residence of the Honorable CEM, then only police had to stop them and he had to use force. That's all.
Alright, so sir, as you have said that they need to use force, but the force has been so much brutal that altogether so many police have come together and attack only one person. So is this a law? Because as the police have asked the people to go back to their place, as a result the protesters were going back to their home. So one protester, while he was running, we have the protester that 7 police have hit one person. We have the footage. So what would you like to say? Because it is the duty of the police to protect the people, not only Karbi but of any other community or any other gender, caste, class relation. But unfortunately, while the person who have accepted the order of the police and while he was going back to his place, but the police have attacked him. So what would you like to say? That is this the irresponsible behavior of the police, or is it the irresponsible behavior of the people to listen to the police and to go back? What would you like to say about it?
First of all, I would like to inform you for a kind information. Police used force only when police was attacked.
All right.
We also have footage. We'd like to show you in proper time. Police used force only when police was attacked. Then they did not listen to the request of the police and the magistrate. Then only we used force. That's all. Thank you.